PBS 1971 logo bloopers. Or the outtakes, but it's bloopers, not outtakes. Anyways. Cut. P-head, BNS, you're not supposed to be, do backwards. It's supposed to be normal. Okay? Sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try again. Take it again. Let's take it again. Take two. Cut. P-head, BNS, you're not supposed to be doing a wiggle effect. You're supposed to be normal, okay? Sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try again. Take three. Cut. P-head, BNS, you're not supposed to be, say, public, and scrublic. It's supposed to be, say, public broadcasting service, okay? We're sorry about that. That's good. That's good. Now let's take it again. Cut. P-head, BNS, you're not supposed to be doing it too fast. You're not supposed to be doing it P-head into starting the intro of P, and P-head is with BNS. It's supposed to be normal. Okay? Sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try again. Take it again. Cut. Why does it say public broadcasting smirk? And why is P-head? It's happy and smirk. And why is P-head smirk? It's supposed to be P-head is not smirk. Okay? Sorry about that. That's good. Now let's try again. Take it again. Cut. P-head, and why you have creepy eyes? Because so scared, so weird. Alright, I'm gonna do what I should do. Swap again, you're fired. Okay? Alright, take it again with last time. But actually, it's accurate. You do it. That's it. P-head, BNS, you're fired. Get out of the studio now. Now don't want to take a word from you. Oh, darn it, I'm fired.